a carbon fiber mirror from Canadian Auto Performance would look a ton better.
Funny enough, carbon fiber mirrors is usually someone's first ever carbon fiber modification on their car. Why? Because they're easy and they're one of the cheapest pieces.
Apparently, it's a little bit more difficult than I thought. It's not just a mirror cap. We actually have to disassemble the whole thing. So I think we try here. Oh, there it is.
This isn't just a fun little mirror cap that you take off the mirror cap and then you put the carbon fiber one on. No, we have to dismantle this mirror to the bone. And I'm not exaggerating when I say that. We're taking this mirror to its literal skeleton.
See, I don't even think that was supposed to come off. Let's go. Okay, I didn't break anything. Look at... This isn't a mirror cap. This is a mirror.
On the bright side, it is going to look a whole lot better with the carbon fiber one on. But I miss the simple days when it was just a little cap that you can click on and off.
Here we got the old boring silver. And here we got the carbon fiber. What? A small detail, but so sick.
Unfortunately, I didn't notice they sent me sequential mirror lights. So we have to take apart the mirror and put it back together. But thankfully, I pretty much became an expert when it comes down to taking apart mirrors from an Audi and putting them back together. Here you can see the stock light in action. And here you can see how much better it looks when it's sequential.
The work may have been a little bit more than I thought, but totally worth it. Look at this.
That looks so good.